Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily convert Google AI Studio applications into a web application. Let's begin. First, open Google AI Studio, click on Builds, Applications. From here, click on the application you're going to work with. So here, once you have successfully done your code and everything you've asked for, click over here, Settings. Okay. You should have an option to integrate your GitHub. But first, make sure that you have already published this so that once you have successfully integrated your GitHub account, you can easily check this on your GitHub account and it will be listed as a repository. Okay. So it should look like this after everything is done. So this will act as the middleman, GitHub. What you need to do next is go to this website, which is vercel.com. You can look it up, Vercel. Okay. It should look like this. All right. So you can click on this, and this is going to be your dashboard. Just click on this button, Add New. It will provide you with more options. Click on Project. Then here, you will notice that you also have an option to click on the drop down if you have already connected your GitHub account. However, if not, if you just created your Vercel account, you can log in, sign up, and authorize everything. And once done, it should show up over here all of the projects and applications you've built from Google AI Studio ready to be imported. So, for example, this click on Import. You can rename the project, click on Deploy, and this might actually take like a minute or two to finish. And once completed, you can now return to your dashboard and see your application. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.